Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn what is cron. Let's get started. So the cron is a time-based job scheduler in the Unix-like operating systems, Linux and the Mac OS. It lets you automate your repetitive task. What it could be? The backups, right? To suppose every 2 a.m. I need to take a backup of my files or the websites that where I can use it. Sending emails like every a minute, every 5 minutes, I want to send some emails to a respective person, or at a particular time, month, I want to send that email. Where I can use it, or running the scripts at the specific times like at the 2 a.m. I want to fulfill the orders. Okay, in that case I can use it. The word cron comes from the Greek word kronos, which means time. Okay, so how cron works? So we have a cron read a file called the cron tab. So in the Linux we have, when we type it like cron tab, so it will open the cron tab with the scripts. We have to add it over here. The cron tab file contains a list of commands with the time schedule. So we have to add the time and with the file. Okay, I'll see you with example. Here we have like runs here in the cron tab. I'm going to add like this 02 star 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 slash homes slash user. This is the path of my backup file. So here I have mentioned like two runs backup at 2 a.m. every day. And this is the cron tab syntax we have to follow. So if you go with the minutes, so 0 to 59, this is the for that one. And if you go with the day of the week, okay, from 0 onwards, okay. So day of the week 0, and this is gonna be the month, day, okay, and this is hour, and this is minutes. According to it, we have to follow this cron tab syntax, okay. N- and in the cron tab we have to do like this way: zero, whatever your time, and the file name where when it will be run. Okay, so then it will run accordingly. Why use cron? Automate your repetitive tasks, save time and the manual effort, reduces the risk of forgetting important operations, works without user interaction, lightweight and reliable. Okay, so common use cases like automatic the backups. So I want to take the server and a database backups every day at night. So where I can use it, send emails or the reports, send daily and weekly reports via email. Where I can use it, sync data between the servers. Use rsync to auto sync the files. Where I can use it, log rotation, clean or archive the log files regularly. Where I can use, run scripts, run shell python or the node.js scripts on a schedule. Where I can use it, health checks, ping urls to check the system services periodically. Where I can use it. Okay, so here this is an example of the node-cron package. Here how this is how we can schedule a cron job like this. Okay, so this is 09 means every 9 a.m. every day. Okay, I'm going to run this cron job, right? Okay, the summary: Cron automates your tasks on time, works on the Linux, Node.js, and more. Ideal for the backup reports and the health checks, saves time and improves system reliability. Okay, so I hope you understand what exactly the cron is. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.